Let's begin this bulletin with our top focus this hour. Trouble continues to, of course, blanket actor Yash's film Toxic. And this is, of course, after Forest Department filed a case against the film producers for allegedly felling trees. In fact, an FIR has been registered under the Karnataka Forest Act with Hindustan Machine Tools and also the Canara Bank facing charges. The state government has also alleged that the trees were also cut so that the film set could be set up on a land that was allegedly sold to Canara Bank to facilitate the shooting of the movie. Just weeks ago, Karnataka Forest Minister Ishwar Khandre had accused the HMT of illegally felling trees, and the minister had also stated that 599 acres of gazetted reserve forest land in Bengaluru's Pina plantations 1 and 2 were illegally transferred to HMT without any proper denotification way back in 1960s, and that the unauthorized felling of the trees is also a punishable act. My colleague Deepak joins us on the broadcast here to get us more details. Deepak, the FIR has been filed now. Of course, all the stakeholders being charged here under the Karnataka Forest Act.
Yes, earlier the forest minister, after visiting that site where the entire setup of the movie Toxic, of course, has been done. This is in Pina, outskirts of Bengaluru. He had claimed that this is a reserved forest. Felling of trees is not authorized here. He had said that the forest department had given the land to HMT and, action will be initiated against anybody responsible. HMT had clarified they had sold the land to Canara Bank. Now, while, of course, that's on one hand, the question arises whether there were trees, whether they were felled, and who did it. The forest department right now has gone to court, sought permission. Permission has been granted, and now they've filed an FIR against three, parties here. One is the producers of the movie Toxic, featuring, of course, KGF fame Yash and several Bollywood stars as well. There is also HMT and Canara Bank. Now, Canara Bank comes into the picture because HMT, of course, through a social media post, had clarified that the land no longer belongs to them and they had officially sold it. So the ownership has been transferred. Now, the question is, who then rented it out to the movie producers? And if they did, either HMT or Canara Bank, whoever, of course, sorts that matter of ownership out. Finally, the question is, were there actually trees that were felled in this property? And because satellite images showed vegetation earlier and lack of vegetation after the movie setup was done, as per, the photographs released by the Forest Ministry. So now this FIR has been registered. We'll really have to see how things play out in the near future.